I'm Dan Gookin, author of these books on Word, and here's today's Word tip. Here are my 6 recommendations for solving document woe in Microsoft Word. Number 1, OMG. Remember, to quickly restore from whatever just happened, press Ctrl-Z, the undo keyboard shortcut. For example, the cat slept on the keyboard and now you can't find any text. Ctrl-Z, undo. Undo again if you need to. And if you undo too much, press Ctrl-Y to redo. Number 2, where the hell did my document go? Recent documents appear in the File tab. Click it. Here's a list of recently opened documents. Further, if you use Microsoft 365 on multiple computers, this list shows all your recently opened files on all computers. Neat! Check beneath each file name. You see a path indicating in which folder the file was saved. This is yet another helpful clue to assist you in recovering a lost document. Number 3, the document looks all funky. Ensure that you're opening the document in the proper format. For this task, use the traditional Open dialog box. Press the Ctrl F12 keyboard shortcut. Ensure that the File Type menu shows All Word Documents. It may be possible to open the document in another format, which explains why it looks all tweaked. Number 4, the document still looks funky. Time to open a document for repair. Again, press the Ctrl F12 keyboard shortcut to summon the Open dialog box. Click to select the file. From the Open button, click the Wii menu icon. Choose the option Open and Repair. Let Word fix any boo-boos and correct any heinous blunders. Save the document under a new name, and it should be good. Number 5, the document continues to look funky. Last resort. Your last stand is to attempt to recover text from a fouled document and start over again. Ctrl F12 again. From the File Type menu, choose Recover Text from any file. Now open the Word document. This isn't the horrible disaster it could be. At least you don't have to retype everything. Just remove any unwanted gibberish and proceed with reformatting the document. Save it when you're done. Number 6, the document template is messed up. This is a tough problem to diagnose because the document may look kinda okay. The formatting is just a little off and things don't look right. Anyway, the issue is most likely that the template was unassigned, unattached, or otherwise messed up. Time to reassign the template. Save the document. Now go to the File tab, Options. Choose Add-ins in the Word Options dialog box. From the menu, choose Templates. Go. Here you see the template assigned to the document, which may be correct, but who cares? Click the Attach button and browse for the proper template. Select it and open. Even if it's the same template, try this trick. Back in the Templates and Add-in dialog box, ensure that this box is checked so that the styles are updated automatically. Click OK. Nothing was wrong with this document, so the change did nothing. But for some fouled up documents, this trick works magic. For more exciting and useful tips, including some magic, check out my Word books.